Hello everyone, welcome in English 1 period. My dear student, if you remember in last video we had started a new lesson. That name was the song from heaven, and last video we had discussed about your study and some information about this lesson. So in this video we shall continue our lesson. You know very well about that. This lesson written by Still Nudge, okay, and in this lesson there is one character, that name is Father Joseph. According to his name, we know about that he is Christian. वो Christian है, right? So look at in your book. Now we have to start our lesson. In a small village in Austria, now there is one small village in Austria. A priest was inspired to write a simple Christmas poem. Okay, in Austria there was one village, and in that village there was one priest, Sant. Okay, so that time he was inspired. He had wish to write one poem, and actually that poem related to or based on Christmas. Okay, Christmas पे वो कुछ poem लिखना चाहते थे. The poem became a song, and the song became a carol, and eventually spread all over the world. When he wrote, that time it was poem, and that poem became a song, and as time that poem spread all the world, on all the world. Okay, that time read about how a few lines penned with devotion brought joy to millions of people and become the most famous Christmas song in the world. अभी हम आगे पता करेंगे कि ये पोएम कैसे बनी, I mean ये पोएम सॉन्ग में कैसे बनी, और मिलियन पीपल, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, वो बहुत सारे लोगों में कैसे स्प्रेड हुई, और ये पॉपुलर कैसे बनी, ये हम देखेंगे. ओके, so now Father Joseph was sad in his study preparing for the special Christmas service. In this line, our writer described, in this lesson there is one character, that name is Father Joseph. Okay, actually he was sad in one room for preparing his study, and actually what about that study? He want to write, or he want to do something about Christmas. के लिए वो कुछ करना चाहते थे. Then the year was 1880. वो जो साल था वो कौन सा था? 1880. The year was 1880, and on this Christmas Eve the air was particularly festive. So that time, that duration, that year was 1880. Okay, 1880. Okay, and that situation, or that what can we say, that surrounded area, that all location, that all festive, it was totally festive mood, Anandamay. Okay, it was totally festive mood. Father Mohr opened his Bible. Okay, बाइबल होली बुक है ना, जैसे कि हिंदू धर्म में क्या होता है, क्रिश्चियन में क्या होता है, या फिर इस्लामिक धर्म में क्या होता है, दैट काइंड ऑफ, जैसे हमारे इसमें भगवद गीता है ना, हमारे इसमें भगवद गीता है, इस्लामिक धर्म में द कुरान है ना. सो दैट लाइक सेम इन क्रिश्चियन देयर इज बाइबल, है ना, बाइबल है, राइट. जैसे कि अभी देखो, फादर मोहर ओपन हिज बाइबल टू प्रिपेयर हिज sermon and read about that special night when an extraordinary baby was born to ordinary parents in a little manger. Just as he had finished reading the story, he heard a knock. Peasant woman stood at the door. That time's what happened. In the evening, Father Joseph decided that, he just opened his Bible, and he was reading a story. So that time what happened? That day was not a simple. Okay, why? because on that day there was born one baby. Okay, on that day there was born one baby, and actually that baby was extraordinary. That baby was extraordinary. Extraordinary means what? That with some good speciality, with some good speciality. Okay, so that baby was born in ordinary family. In ordinary family, baby जो born हुआ था, okay, he was extraordinary, but where he born? In ordinary family. In ordinary family. Now that situation happened on that day. So after some time, some person, not person, some lady, okay, just like one lady, we can say that one lady knocked the door. Knocked the door, उसने दरवाजा ठकठकाया. Knocked the door, okay. A peasant woman stood at the door. Okay, so when that knocked the door, so that time Father Joseph look at the door. Look at the door. So that time there was one lady. There was one lady. Okay, so what can I do for you? Father Mohar asked. When she just knocked the door, so that times Father Joseph asked to her, what can I do for you? What can I do for you? Okay, so that times after that question, that lady replied, it's not for me, Father. Okay, she said. Who said? That lady who stood at a door, है ना, जो door पे खड़ी थी, right? So that time she said, it's not for me, Father, said the woman. Okay, but for a baby born a while ago to some peasant. To some peasant. So she said, it's not for me, Father. Actually, one baby born. One baby born. Okay, just before some time, one baby born. Okay, the parents are new that you see the child and bless it, Father. So when that baby born, so that times that baby's mother, father, in shortly parents. So parents had wish, or parents have wish, you have to see him and bless him. उनके पेरेंट्स ने, मतलब उस बच्चे के पेरेंट्स की विश कहती कि फादर ने इसे देखना चाहिए और आशीर्वाद देना चाहिए, है ना. सो I have come to take you there. So that's why I came here. Okay, who said? That lady. To whom? Father Joseph को बोला था, right? Now Father Mohar was taken by surprise. Surely it could not be a coincidence that he received news of this baby just when he was reading about the birth of Christ. So that time Father Joseph said, yes, definitely, surely. Okay, because this is not a coincidence. ये कोई कोइंसिडेंट नहीं हुआ है, इत्तेफाक नहीं हुआ है. Why? Because when Father Joseph was reading Bible, and in that Bible he was reading a story of birth of Christ. यीशु का जन्म हुआ कैसे या फिर कैसे हो रहा है, इस टाइप की जो स्टोरी है बाइबल में, जो कुछ भी लिखित है, वो जब वैसे ही पढ़ रहे थे, so that times you suddenly came here and informed me about that news. So this is not coincident. ये कोई कोइंसिडेंट नहीं है, है ना. यहाँ पे मैं भगवान की बर्थ के बारे में पढ़ रहा हूँ और आपने भी आकर मुझे बताया कि एक बेबी ने जन्म लिया है ना, एक बेबी ने जन्म लिया है. That's why in previous line he said extraordinary baby. इसलिए उन्होंने extraordinary baby words यूज किया है ना. अभी समझ में आया, वहाँ पे extraordinary words यूज किया है according to this situation. कौन सी सिचुएशन? Father Joseph was reading Bible, and in that Bible there was story of birth of Christ, and suddenly, exactly that time, one lady given news about one extraordinary baby. So now reading about the birth of Christ. Okay, यहाँ तक आपको समझ में आया है. So Here near about one paragraph complete. In next video we will take second paragraph. Till then, see you, bye bye.